Oh yeah, I hope y'all like the look. Was suggested by Eric. Get one of these hats. Boom! What up, gamers and collectors? Gunner Gamer, the entertainer here. And today, we're gonna talk about something awesome! Yeah. And, that is, this is the person, so this is a movie review and unboxing of something awesome. So we're getting that. But first, a little backstory. Well, so, I'm big into martial arts, been very big into martial arts my whole life. I'm a martial artist myself, and, always been into mixed martial arts and wrestling and all that. And, but there were pretty much five guys who were the main people that really got me enthused into martial arts. And those people, in no particular order: Steven Seagal, Jackie Chan, Jean-Claude Van Damme, Chuck Norris, and the main guy, Bruce Lee. Yeah, so Bruce Lee. And the thing that's awesome is Criterion has put out this unbelievable box set. Okay? And it's here. I've done some pre-cutting. And I haven't even opened it up. But anyway, to show you how much of a Bruce Lee fan I am. So I have both these. This is Way of the Dragon, Game of Death, Big Boss, Fist of Fury, double feature DVD. Bought these back a few years ago, and they're awesome. I also had these on VHS, which I still have, but they're packed away. Then I have Enter the Dragon, super edition, special edition of Enter the Dragon, just for Christmas one year, and it's awesome. And then I went and found other things involving Bruce Lee over the years, such as TV show The Green Hornet. Yeah, the original with him in it. And then Longstreet, which he only played in like a few episodes of this. I got this not too long ago, but I haven't really watched that yet. And then Shannon Lee and them, they kind of produced a series about his life, which I got all 3 parts. That's volume 1, volume 2, and volume 3. And this guy really looked like him. He really looked like him. Quite a bit. And there was a lot of other movies that were made where they had other people kind of playing. And I'm actually in Game of Death because he mostly did the end of the movie, most of the beginning of the movie, some other guy just kind of filling in the parts. But anyway, now, Criterion. Oh, and also, I have a really nice picture that I drew as well, and that's a picture of it right here. Yeah, well, all right, so let's get up into this. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. This This is awesome. His greatest hits. Criterion Collection on Blu-ray. All right. So it looks really, really good. Did an awesome job on this. Very excited about this. And there's a few sites, I think Barnes and Noble, and also Amazon, which is where I got it. They had like half off, and that's where I got it. I think on Criterion they have it for like $100 or something like that. Anyway, so a little cut there. Gotta be real gentle here. Oh yeah. Ooh. This is a little bit of a kung fu smell. Man, this is really awesome. Yeah, I'll get a good view on that. And this has 5 films. It has The Big Boss. It has Fist of Fury, The Way of the Dragon, Enter the Dragon, and Game of Death. Yeah, the Fist of Fury was also known as The Big Boss as well, and The Big Boss was also known as The Chinese Connection. Oh yeah, go. Oh yeah, delicateness. Oh man, have a good nice box. Oh man, this is awesome. Let's make sure we ain't gonna boost discs. I think we're all right, guys. Yep. We're good. It comes with this. Come back to this. Oh man, this is cool. It looks like an old magazine, kung fu. That is awesome. Good old Bruce. Man, it's a shame. Oh man, that he had to go. Who knows? Who knows what kind of great movies he would have made, man. Table of contents, films. Be Like Water. Man, looks like old kung fu magazine. I got some magazines that actually kind of look like that, teaching kung fu stuff. Man, this is awesome. Yeah, there you got some Kareem Abdul-Jabbar up in here. Oh man, movie posters. Look at that. That is sweet. Oh man, Centerfold. Man. Bruce, man. awesome to meet that guy. But he's gone long before I came along. Long before. That poster right there. It's in another one of my favorite movies, which Jean-Claude Van Damme's in. He's a bad guy. Also involved Bruce Lee in the movie. And that was No Retreat, No Surrender. That was an awesome movie. That was a poster that got ripped for one of the battlegrounds. Some kung fu stuff. Huh? Some dense reading. Yes. Giving that to my leisure time. Yeah, it's wow. That's awesome. And what we're all here for. Oh man, now take a look at this. Boom. That is sweet. To get a banner like that, man. It's sweet. And there you go. The discs. Turn around here. Yeah. So you get 7 discs. Yep, 7 discs. So this one is the Big Boss. Disc 2 is Fist of Fury. Disc 3 is The Way of the Dragon. Disc 4 is Enter the Dragon. Disc 5 is Game of Death. Disc 6 is Supplements, and 7 supplements. So you get 2 discs of like bonus features. Sweet. That is sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right. Bruce Lee Greatest Hits. In the early 1970s, a kung fu dynamo named Bruce Lee sidekicks this way onto the screen and strengths into popular culture immortality. Oh yeah. So, kind of bonus features we got here. Oh man, there's a bunch of bonus features, man. 4K digital restoration of the Big Boss, Fist of Fury, The Way of the Dragon, and Game of Death with uncompressed original mono-whirl soundtracks. New 2K digital restoration of the rare scene 99-minute 1973 theatrical version of Enter the Dragon. Oh shit. With uncompressed original memorial soundtrack. New 2K digital restoration of the 102-minute special edition version of Enter the Dragon with alternate 5.1 surround sound, DTS HD Master Audio soundtrack, alternate soundtracks for the films, including original English dub tracks. 6. Audio commentaries on the Big Boss with Bruce Lee expert Brandon Bentley on the Big Boss, Fist of Fury, The Way of the Dragon, and Game of Death by Hong Kong film expert Mike Linder. And on the special edition version of Enter the Dragon by producer Paul Hillary. high-definition presentation of the 1981 film Game of Death 2. Game of Death Redux. Oh yeah, so there was like a Game of Death 2 that was supposed to be, but Bruce never got a chance, man. A new presentation of Lee original Game of Death footage produced by Alan Canvin. New interviews on all 5 films with Lee biographer Matthew Pauly. New interview with producer Andre Morgan by Golden Harvest, the company behind Hong Kong's top martial arts star, including Lee. New programming about English language dubbing, featuring performance Michael Caine, the English-speaking voice of Lee's Chen Zin in First of Fury. Oh, Fist of Fury. What was that? And Vang Village. New interview with Arthur Grady Krentz about Bruce Fluxation, subgenre that followed Lee's death. Yep. And a selection of Bruce Fluxation trailers. Blood and Steel, a 2004 documentary about the making of Enter the Dragon. Multiple programs, documentaries about Lee's life and philosophies, including Bruce Lee's The Man and the Legend, 1973, and Bruce Lee, in his own words, 1998. Interview with Linda Lee Cadwell, Lee's widow, and many of Lee's collaborators and admirers, including actor John T. Bennett. Oh boy, man, so many people. And yeah, so it's just chocked full of stuff, man. Chocked full of stuff. Wow, this is awesome. And yeah, it's awesome that they got all 5 of them in this collection. That was sweet. And yeah, more of this stuff needs to happen. People need to stop worrying about license, get some good shit out. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, well that's it, guys. I'm so happy to have this in the collection. It's almost like a holy grail to me. But Bruce Lee, man, that's right. So, let me put my thing back in here. So, yeah, if you're a Bruce Lee guy, I definitely tell you, get yourself this. And, yeah, this is pretty sweet. That might be the definitive collection of Bruce Lee. There it is, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. If you enjoy my content, if you have more content like this coming, please consider subscribing. And there's some more gameplays coming and more reviews on collections and stuff. Yeah. Bruce Lee. Oh. Alright, I'll catch you all on the flip side, guys. Gunner out.